So hey everyone, how to fix Xfinity TV box stuck on welcome, reboot, cable check and reset. So how to fix Xfinity TV box stuck on welcome, weak or no signal from loose or demarred coax cable, power glitch or software startup error, TV box not fully activated or signal not refreshed, temporary Xfinity service outages in your area, hardware problem with the TV box. Why Xfinity TV box stuck on welcome? Reboot box, then unplug for 60 seconds. Tighten coax and HDMI cable. Wait for activation 10 to 15 minutes, then reset the box. Check service outage. Fix 1. Reboot the Xfinity TV box. Most common fix. A simple restart resolves this problem in many cases. The box should move past the welcome screen once it reconnects to the network. Step 1. Turn off your TV and TV box. Unplug the power cable from the back of the Xfinity box. Wait to 60 seconds important. Plug it back in. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for full startup. Fix 2. Check all cable connections. Loose cable are one of the biggest cause. Check these connections carefully. Tighten the coax cable, wall to TV box. Make sure the HDMI cable is securely connected to TV. Verify the power adapter is fully plugged in. If using a splitter, try removing it temporarily. Even a slightly loose coax cable can stop activation. Fix 3rd. Wait for signal refresh. Sometimes the box is receiving update from Xfinity. What to do? Leave the box on for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not keep unplugging repeatedly. This can delay activation. If the welcome screen disappears after a few minutes, the issue was signal synchronization. Fix 4. Reset the Xfinity TV box. If rebooting doesn't work, try a reset. Method A. Power cycle reset. Unplug the box for 1 minute, plug it back in. Immediately hold the power button on the box for 10 to seconds if available. Method B. Restart from Xfinity app if accessible. Open the Xfinity app on your phone, go to devices, then TV box, then restart device. Fix 5th is check for service outage. Sometimes the issue isn't your box, it's a network problem. So you can check the Xfinity app for outages. Visit the Xfinity status page. Enter your service address to check the status and ask neighbors if their service work. Fix 6 is when to contact Xfinity support. Welcome screen stays longer than 20 minutes. Also, box keep restarting endlessly. No signal after cable checks. Brand new box not activating. They can send a signal refresh to replace faulty hardware remotely. Thank you.